Chengde Junqiang Equipment Clothing Company Limited. We are a trusted tent manufacturer and supplier based in Chengde, Hebei, China, specializing in the production of camping tents, disaster relief tents, sleeping bags, folding camping beds, backpacks, air cushions, folding tables, training uniforms, and other outdoor gear. With over 10,000 square meters of factory space, 3 workshops, 10 production lines, and more than 200 employees, we provide strong production capacity for bulk orders and export projects. Our factory is ISO 9001-2008 certified, and we offer full support for OEM, ODM customization. Samples are available for testing, and we provide fast delivery and global shipping. We have proudly supplied products to major international humanitarian organizations and national institutions in various regions worldwide. If you're looking for a reliable tent factory in China with custom manufacturing, field-tested quality, and professional service, Chengde Junqiang is your ideal partner.